I can double-click on the shop floor document in Windows Explorer to view it in CAMWorks ShopFloor. Here I have a list of the operations that are programmed on the part. As I select the operations, the associated toolpath is displayed in the graphics area. I can also access the tool list. As I select on the tool, a preview window pops up so I can see the tool and holder geometry. On the toolbar above, I can click on the step-through icon to step through the toolpath. I can also simulate the toolpath with full material removal and compare abilities. If I right-click on any of the operations, I can simulate and step through the individual operations. Here, I can access the posted program. This will launch in CAMWorks NC Editor, where I can view and backplot the toolpath. Notice how the Save button has been disabled to not override the G-code. But the transmission functionality is still available to send the G-code to the machine. Here, I can access the setup sheets to examine the operations.